Hi there, for today's reading activity, we will be doing a Booms card activity. The activity is setting. Since we've been practicing setting, I thought we could do a Booms card activity. So on the slide, go ahead and click the Booms card picture, and below the Boom card picture, you'll see what the activity looks like. It looks like this. So click on it. You will then get to this page. So it says setting, and here's a little audio. I just have it muted since I'm talking. I can read it to you, but have your volume up and you can click on the audio and it'll read everything that's on the slide. Setting, where and when the story happens. It could happen in the forest, daytime, farm, fall, kitchen, desert, night, home. So here's an example of setting, where and when the story happens. After you review what setting is, you press start. Then it goes over the directions. Again, it'll be read to you if you just click this. Directions. Choose the answer that tells the setting of the story. Number 1, read the story. And if you can't read all the words, then go ahead and make sure you hit the audio and the story will be read to you. Number 2, choose the answer that names the setting of the story. Number 3, have fun. So once you're ready, hit play. If you need this to be read to you, click the audio buttons. Here's an example. Again, it reads it to you. Choose the answer that tells the setting of the story. It was a cold winter day. Lynn and Kate went to the pond to ice skate. They ice skated for a long time. Then the wind began to blow and it was time to go home. Is the correct answer, was the setting pond, snow, or home? Did it ever mention snow? No. Is snow even where? Where? Snow? No. Was this story taking place at home? No. Was the story taking place at a pond? Yeah. Lynn and Kate went to the pond to ice skate. So make sure you're listening because it does say home, but it says, then the wind began to blow and it was time to go home. This story did not take place at home. It took place at the pond. Okay, then you just keep going on to the next one.